Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from class FM1B would like to present about improving healthy lifestyle through food combining in the health communication area. KWL charts. K. What I know. Healthy lifestyle is an ideal lifestyle for everyone and an effort to achieve that goal. Various things were done by people. For example, adjusting the customized diet that need help the body with a mix of carbohydrate, protein, and other elements require a certain technique that can be digested by the balance of the composition therein. Food combining is one way to achieve a healthy lifestyle through healthy diet, where the core of food combining is fresh and natural food. Consuming a combination of food by following the cycle of metabolism, maintaining a acid-base balance of the body, and does not need to measure the consumption of food. W. What I want to know. What efforts can we do to produce a healthy lifestyle? What makes up our healthy belief model? What is the food combining? And L. What I learned, namely through exercise, maintaining a balanced diet, healthy diet, body detox, and others. That is a form of behavior in which a person gives an assessment and description of health from a socio-psychological perspective. Food combining is an eating pattern that was widely used by ancient East Palestine 2,000 years ago by not using the term food combining at first. Over time, this healthy eating pattern was popularized by renowned surgeon William Howard Hay in the 1920 in the United States, which is known as the Hay System diet. Categories of information I expect to use: the history of food combining, the background of food combining, the purpose of food combining, the formulation of food combining, the method of food combining, the object subject of food combining, and the pending discussion of food combining.
Healthy lifestyle is a ideal lifestyle for everyone and effort to achieve the goal. Various things were done by people, for example, adjusting the consumer diet that need of the body with a mix of carbohydrate, protein, and other elements required a central that can be digested by the plate of the composition therein. Food combining is one way to achieve a healthy lifestyle through healthy diet, where the core of food combining is fresh and natural food. Consuming a combination of food by following the scale of metabolism, maintaining a best balance of the body, and does not need to measure the consumption of food. The theoretical approach asset is the healthy belief model. Healthy belief model proposed by Rostock, in which has the complaint that the behavior of a person who can provide assessment and elaboration of social physiological healthy. This inserting the knowledge and attitudes about the vulnerability and the efficacy of the treatment can affect a person's decision of healthy behavior. Furthermore, analytical approach in the literature by collection a number of journal of other publications relation of the problem examined, as well as the disclosure of the research of theory and problems are discussed. With the healthy belief model approach is expect confident of theory and problems are discussion are effective in treating and preventing the disease, can change the bad habits of the society in treating diseases, and might be repeat of a to take healthy measures.
Every living thing in this world will have a life according to the kind of life that has been outlined by the Almighty Creator, so that everything that will be present in His lifetime will run regular, and there will be no irregular in the kind of life. Just to remind the addict that in a healthy body there is a strong soul, which means that a healthy body will produce positive action and thoughts. Positive and healthy, which will have an impact on the formation of a conducive environment for oneself, family, surrounding environment, and society. The purpose of the food combining method is to reduce fat and toxic deposits, lose weight, and prevent digestive disorders. At the time of the emergence of this method, there was a shift in people's habits, which initially depended heavily on medical drugs and that tried to consume natural foods or herbs that could help cure the disease they receive. To get a healthy body, we need some effort that we need to do in order to product a healthy lifestyle for yourself. There are various ways and efforts that we can do to product a healthy lifestyle, named through exercise, maintaining a balanced diet, healthy diet, body detox, and others. A healthy diet is one of the techniques for regulating
eating patterns that is quite a favorite in several countries and is widely practiced by various groups. Before discussing further about that, the food combining method is, it would be nice for the author to briefly describe the history of combining. Food combining is an eating pattern that's widely used by Christians in Palestine 2,000 years ago. By not using the term for combining at first, over time, this healthy eating pattern was popularized by a well-known expert, namely William Howard Hay in the 1920 in the United States, which is famous for the high system diet. Basically, the essence of food combining includes four things, namely 1. Consume fresh and natural foods and stay away from processed foods. 2. Maintain the body acid-base balance. 3. Does not require a dose of food consumption. If someone experiences fat accumulation, it will result in obesity or overweight as a result of excessive fat accumulation, and when hypertension, stroke, heart failure, cancer, and others. Digestive disorder can cause diarrhea, hepatitis, appendicitis, hemorrhoids, stomach ulcer, and others. Based on these behavioral changes, it is hoped that someone can try to make effort to prevent and cure disease provided by the herbal service provider.
The health belief model contains the main concept of predicting why a person takes certain action to maintain, protect, and control illness by looking at several points of view, including, for number one, for example, a woman who is at risk of having an unfaithful partner will feel herself vulnerable to a sexually transmitted disease. 2. Seriousness versus severity and seriously, someone predict the severity of the disease. 3. Obstacles for safer barriers are obstacles that exist in a person's healthy behavior. For example, in the case of women who are at risk of STI disease, she will seek prevention with early detection through pap-smear examination, but the husband does not support it. This is an obstacle. For benefit, that is someone weighing the benefit between the cost incurred and the level of illness. For example, is the cost effective for the expensive fat summer when compared to the seriousness or risk of the disease. 5. Self-efficacy is a person's ability to get certain results. 6. Switch to action, which is action of an action or a person readiness to exercise. Subject improving healthy lifestyle through food combining in the healthy communication area. Subject healthy lifestyle in the ideal lifestyle for everyone and effort to achieve that goal. Various things were done by people. For example, adjusting the system needed that needed of the body with a mix of carbohydrates, protein, and other elements require a certain the technique that can be digested by the balance of the composition the earth in. Food combining is one way to accept a healthy lifestyle through healthy diet, where the core of combining is fresh and natural food. Consuming a combination of food by following the cycle of metabolism, maintaining acid-base balance of the body and does not need to measure the consumption of food.
Food combining is an eating pattern that was widely used by ancients in Palestine 2000 years ago by not using the term food combining at first. Over time, this healthy eating pattern was popularized by well-known experts, namely William Howard Hay in the 1920 in the United States, which is famous for the Hay system diet. Hayes himself is a patient who has chronic diseases such as kidney, high blood pressure, and heart swelling. He tried to do this healthy diet for several months, and as a result, his body tried to be healthy as before. So it is surprising if the result can then be seen by the public. Though the mass media is ordered to invade order to control and maintain a healthy regular diet. Having a healthy current diet will have impact on the effectiveness of one performance. So hard thought a further development, the method can be said to be successful in overcoming the level of healing in patients who has a fairly serious level of disease complication. Distractions, distractions in the body metabolism occur if the diet does not match the way the digestive system works. If we do a diet program that is quiet, a lot by forcing ourselves self to adapt to the rules that we do, then the diet food combine happen the other who around. The combination food diet over a diet that is coordinates with the natural working of the digestive system. Regarding a food combining as an effective means in producing a healthy lifestyle in terms of the healthy belief model. It is based on three essential factors, namely a person what to change behavior to minimize health risks or avoid this talk the Mrs. Confit house and procreation for the external environment that is able to make he change exciting behavior. And the individual behavior is adjusted according to one's own character or personal self assessment or experience to try to change similar behavior. So, to analyze food combining as an effective medicine in spreading, producing, and healthy lifestyle is a focus on vulnerability. Seriously, a stylist advanced self-efficacy and cost to action. Through the discussion above is clear that is increased self-confidence in performing non-medical treatment. It can be developed, but though oneself with various states they must be faced with several series of steps, namely vulnerability, seriousness of teles, advantages, self-efficacy, and cost to action. Thank you.